Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about bill splitting in Odoo 18. So, bill splitting in Odoo point of sale allow you to divide the total bill amount among multiple customers or payment method. And this is particularly useful in different scenarios like group orders and multiple payment methods. So, when a group of people dine together and want to pay separately, they can uses bill splitting as well as when customers want to use different payment methods for different parts of the bill, then also we can just make use of the bill splitting. To manage with the bill splitting, let's dive into the point of sale and it is possible in restaurants. So let's move on to the configuration settings of restaurant. You can just move on to the edit button in order to just go into the configuration settings where you can see that we have a feature called allow bill splitting. This would allow you to split or order lines. Split the total or order lines. So once you have enabled this feature, the next step is that to save the changes in the configuration settings and let's move to the dashboard and let me open the register. So here two people is just going to get something from the restaurant and here we go that they were ordering for a burger and they want a cheeseburger as well as they want cool drinks over here, which is Fanta and Coca-Cola. Okay, so once this is done, here you can see under the action button we have splits. So either they can split the total or they can just split the order line. So here I'm going to choose bacon burger and Fanta for one of the customer and he's just going to make the payment. So let me choose the customer as Azure over here and let's move on to the action and split the bill. So here you can see the customer is just going to split the order. Okay, by choosing the bacon, burger and fanda. So let's split that and here you would be able to find the selected item by the customer. Now let's move on to the payment section and the customer is just going to make the payment through card and here you can just click on validate. So once you made the payment for the splitting of the bill, here we know there are two more items left, right? So in order to continue with the payment for the other customer, we can just choose the continue button and here it shows the rest of the item. Now let's move on to the payment section and here the customer can choose a cash method and here we can just enter the amount which is 17.48. So we can just set that. Afterwards, let's click on validate and we have just done with the payment. So this is how we just make use of the bill splitting and it's one of the greater way to just divide the bills when we just want to split with the total amount or with a group of people. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.